Alright guys, I'm out here slaying birds. I just got one with my Daisy and some Daisy premium ammo. Here's my brother. I'll go show you. Oh crap, I almost slipped. I don't know if it's dead. I didn't check yet. Oh no, it's not dead. It's right there, see it? It's still moving. Alright, well I have my GorillaPod, it's new. I'm just gonna set it down for you. Yeah, it's kinda windy. I'm surprised I even got a chance. Alright, it's right there. Just gonna take it out really quick. I'm gonna have my brother hold the camera. Hold it, alright? Alright, just keep it on there. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Yeah, it's gone. Alright, it's gone. I can't go all the way over there for it. Too many cars. But that was hunting. Slingshot hunting. First bird I've ever hit with this. And really, got really close to killing it. Oh crap. Ammo. Yeah, that was crazy. I didn't even think of killing it. Wait, Gabriel, grab the targets. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and peace. Alright, you probably just saw me get really close to killing a bird. Yeah, I used this Daisy slingshot. I did a review. Find a link right there. And I used this ammo, Daisy Powerline 1/4 inch 250 in there, and it's actually pretty nice for hunting. I just kind of realized that. I've been hunting and fishing lately, just doing a lot with my uncle, hunting and fishing. I went ice fishing last Sunday, which was I don't know the date, but yeah, so that's it. Sorry I haven't been making videos because, well, it was Christmas about a month ago and New Year's, so this is my first video in a while now, so I'm probably gonna start making videos of things I got for Christmas and stuff like that. So, and I also got the new Halo game. It is pretty cool. Halo Anniversary. And I got a new knife. Got a Zippo, my first one. I'll be doing reviews on all those things. So that's pretty much it. And well, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.